Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. I am Anjana from LearnoHub, the free learning platform where you can study math, science and SST absolutely free at LearnoHub.com. In today's class, we are going to discuss ICSE Class 9 Maths Chapter 5 Factorization. We'll understand the concepts with examples and solve questions from Exercise 5A. Hope you all are ready for the session. Let's begin. First, we'll understand what are factors and how to find factors of a number. From our smaller classes, we have been studying about factors. You remember the factors tree? So, for example, if you have a number 12, we can construct the factor tree. This 12 can be written as 2 into 6. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So, to get the factors of 12, we'll be multiplying these numbers. 12 will be 2 into 3. So 2 and 3 are the factors of the number 12. Now if you have to construct the factor tree for 24, 24 can be written as 2 into 12. 12 can be written as 2 into 6. 6 is 2 into 3. So 24 will be equal to 2 into 3. Okay, so this is how you will be getting the factors of a number. So these are the prime numbers. Prime numbers we are having as factors. So you can say the factors of 12 are 2 and 6. You can say the factors of 12 are 4 and 3. The factors of 12 are 2, 2 and 3. Okay, now you can perform the long division also to find the factors. Now for the same number 24, you are taking 24. 24, the least number that can be used to divide 24, it is an even number, so dividing with 2 you get 12, again with 2 you get 6, again with 2 you get 3, now with 3 you get 1. So 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now to find for the number 30, okay, so it can be divided with 2 because it is an even number. So you get 15. Can you divide it with 2? No, right? So 15 can be divided with 3. You get 5. Again with 5, you get 1. So 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. To find for the number 72, can be divided with 2. You get 36. Again with 2, you get 18. With 2, you get 9. Now with 3, you get 3, 3, 1. Okay, so 72 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Clear? So we understood how to find the factors of a number. If you have an algebraic expression, how to find the expression? Let's see. For example, 8a square bc cube. So this is an algebraic expression. Here we have variables. Okay. Now this can be written as, what is 8? 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. A square is A into A, into B, into C, into C, into C. Okay, so these are the factors of the expression 8a square bc cube. Now another expression, 4a square bc. What are the factors? This can be written as 2 into 2 into A into A into B into C. So these are the factors of 4a square bc. Another one, x, y, z raised to 4. Okay, what are the factors? You will be having x into y into z into z into z into z. So these are the factors of x, y, z raised to 4. Okay. Now if you are having 18 m square n, what are the factors? 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Into m into n. Okay. So these are the factors of 18 m square n. This is how you will be able to find the factors of an algebraic expression. Now what is factorization? Factorization in simple words is the reverse process of multiplication. We know multiplication. 2 into 3 is 6. So here we are multiplying. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. We have factorized 6. So this process is called factorization. For example, if you need to find the factors of 3a square b. So 3a square b will be 3 into a into a into b. So here we have factorized 3a square b. Okay. Now when you have these four numbers and you're multiplying them, 3 into a into a into b. Okay. What do we get? You will be getting 3a square b. That is, product of all these is giving you 3a square b. So the reverse process of multiplication we have done. For example, 5a square plus xa. Okay. So here this is an algebraic expression which you are going to find the factors. So this can be written as a into 5a plus x. So we can say 5a square plus xa is equal to a into 5a plus x, which means the product of a into 5a plus x is 5a square plus xa. Okay, so the factors of 5a square plus xa are a and 5a plus x. Now, if you have x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, so this is an algebraic expression. Now, this algebraic expression, when you find the factors, you will be getting x plus 3 and x plus 2. So, we can say that x plus 3 and x plus 2 are the factors of x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, when you take x plus 3 and x plus 2, when you multiply them, what do you get? This is equal to x into x plus 2 plus 3 into x plus 2. Okay, and that is equal to, removing the brackets and multiplying, x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 3 into 2, 6, which is equal to x square plus 2x plus 3x is 5x plus 6. Okay, first method of factorization is taking out the common factor. We'll understand this with an example. For example, if you take 8a square minus 4ay. Okay, we have two terms here. Take these terms separately. That is, first 8a square. What is 8a square? 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. And a square is a into a. Okay. What about 4ay? 4ay can be written as 2 into 2 into a into y. We have to find the highest common factor first. Okay. To get the highest common factor, check what is common in these two. Here you can see 2. Here also there is 2. Okay. 2 can be taken out. Again 2 and 2. Once more 2 can be taken out. Then here we have 2. No other 2 is remaining in the second term. A. This is also common. Any other term that is common? Here we have 2a and here we have y. No other common term. So this is equal to 4a. Therefore, the HCF is 4a. Next step, what we have to do is, here we have 8a square minus 4ay. This is equal to, write the HCF first. Inside the brackets, write the term, that is 8a square minus 4ay. Next step, what should be done is, you will have to divide both of these terms with the HCF that we got. Here we have 4a, so divided by 4a, again divided by 4a. Okay, a and the square can be removed. 4 and 8, we get 2 here. A can be removed, 4 can be removed. Then you have 4a into 2a. Then we get 4a into 2a minus y. Okay, 4a into 2a minus y is the answer. Factorization of 8a square minus 4ay using the common factor, taking out the common factor method. Let us take an example. Factorize first question 8ab square plus 12a square b. First we have to find the HCF. To find HCF, 8ab square can be written as 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is a prime number. Okay, AB square into A into B into B. What about 12A square B? That is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into A into B. Okay. Now, to get the HCF, what should be done? What is HCF? Highest common factor. To get the HCF, we are taking the common factors from both these terms. 2 is common. Okay. So, 2 is taken. Again 2 is taken. A, here we have 3, here we have 2, which cannot be taken. A can be taken, then 1, B can also be taken. So, you will be getting 4AB. HCF is 4AB. Now, what we are going to do? This 8AB square plus 12A square B can be written as. We are getting HCF. So, write the HCF. Inside the bracket, write the number 8AB square plus 12A square B. Now, divide each of the term with this HCF. That is 4AB by 4AB. Okay. A can be cancelled. B and the square can be removed. A and the square can be removed. B can be cancelled. Then what you are having? You will be having 4AB into 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 into B. Okay. Plus this is 3 into A. So, you will be getting 4AB into 3A plus 2B. This is the final answer. Okay. So, this is how we can do factorization by taking out the common factor. Here the common factor, highest common factor is 4AB. Now, the second one, 4 into x plus y whole square minus 3 into x plus y. This is very easy. So, first 4 into x plus y whole square. This can be written as 2 into x plus y into x plus y. X plus y whole square is x plus y into x plus y. What about 3 into x plus y? That is same. 3 into x plus y. 3 is a prime number. Okay. Now tell me what is the HCF? Highest common factor will be equal to x plus y is common to both. Okay. So x plus y is the HCF. Now taking out x plus y inside the bracket, write the terms 4 into x plus y square minus 3 into x plus y divided by HCF, that is x plus y, x plus y. Okay, here x plus y and the square can be cancelled. X plus y can be cancelled. So, you will be getting x plus y into 4x plus 4y. I am removing the bracket and multiplying. Minus here only 3 is remaining. So, this is the answer. Okay, x plus y into 4x plus 4y minus 3. Okay, if you are not doing this step, still you can see this, right? When you see this, you will understand x plus y is common. So, just take out x plus y and then what is remaining should be written inside. After taking x plus y outside, you will be getting 4 into x plus y. Okay, here only minus 3 will be remaining. Directly you can do that. Now, the third one, x into a minus 5 plus y into 5 minus a. So, here what we are going to do is x into a minus 5. Okay. And we have to find the HCF. The second one is y into 5 minus a. To get the common factor, this 5 minus a can be written as minus of a minus 5. That is, I am taking a negative sign outside. So, this becomes equal to minus y into a minus 5. So, now a minus 5 is common to both. Okay, therefore, HCF will be equal to a minus 5. Okay, now this is equal to HCF. Inside the bracket, write the terms, that is x into a minus 5 minus y into a minus 5. That is, y into 5 minus a can be written as minus y into a minus 5 divided by a minus 5 by a minus 5. Okay. Now, a minus 5, a minus 5, a minus 5, a minus 5 can be cancelled. Then you will be having a minus 5 into x minus 5. So, this is the answer. A minus 5 into x minus y. Clear? Second method is a grouping method. An expression of an even number of terms may be resolved into factors if the terms are arranged in groups such that each group has a common factor. We'll take an example. Okay, so here a cube plus a plus 3a square plus 3. Okay, here you can see when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 terms. When you have even number of terms, you can use the we can use the grouping method. Okay, so here in this grouping method, what you're going to do is take 2 terms and make it a group. Okay, so here this is a group and this is a group. So we'll understand the steps. First is group the terms of the given expression in such a way that each group has a common factor. So here you can see when I choose these 2 terms to make a group, A is common to both of these terms. Okay, when I choose these 2, you can see that 3 is common. Yes. Okay, if I am choosing A cube and 3 to make a group, can I do that? No, right? There is no common factor. So you have to choose the terms such that they can form a group. They have a common factor. Okay, now factorize each group formed. We are going to separately factorize. When you take A cube plus A, what is common? A is common, right? A can be taken out. Remaining what is there? Here we will be having A square into A is A cube. What about A? A is A into 1. So plus 1. Plus. Next, this part. Here what is common? 3 is common. So taking out 3, remaining will be having A square plus 1. Okay, and the final step, from each group take out the common factor. So here we have 2 groups. First group A into A square plus 1 and the second group 3 into A square plus 1. So what is common in both? You can see this A square plus 1 is common. Taking out the common, A square plus 1 into A is remaining here and here 3 is remaining. So A plus 3. A square plus 1 into A plus 3 is the answer that you will get after factorization using the grouping method. Second example, we have to factorize using the grouping method AB plus BC plus AX plus BX. So here we have AB plus BC plus AX plus CX. Okay, how to do the grouping? Here when you choose these 2 terms, first 2 terms, B is common. Okay, when you choose these 2, X is common. Okay, if I am choosing BC plus AX, is there any common factor? Except 1, there is no other common factors. So from this, what can be taken? AB plus BC can be written as B into A plus C. B is common, remaining here A and here C. Okay, what about AX plus CX can be written as X into A plus C. Okay, now we have B into A plus C plus X into A plus C. A plus C is common, taking out A plus C into, what is remaining? Here B is there and here we have X, B plus X. So A plus C into B plus X. Now the second one, AB square minus A minus 1 into B minus 1. So this can be written as AB square minus A into B. Minus of minus 1, that is plus 1 into B, plus B minus 1. Okay, here this is a group and this is a group. Okay, now from here what can be taken? A into B is common. AB square is A into B and AB is A into B. So A into B can be taken out, remaining B minus 1. Okay, here we have B minus 1. So what is a common factor? Except 1, there is no other common factor. So 1 is taken out. Plus 1 into B minus 1, which is equal to, now take out the common factor. B minus 1 is common. Taking out B minus 1, remaining AB plus 1. So this is the answer. B minus 1 into AB plus 1. Clear? Now let us solve questions from exercise 5A. Question 1 of exercise 5A. Factorize by taking the common factors. So here we are given 2 into 2x minus 5y into 3x plus 4y minus 6 into 2x minus 5y into x minus y. Okay, so here you can see 2x minus 5y is common in both these terms. So here we have two terms. This is the first term and this is the second term. 2x minus 5y is common. So taking out 2x minus 5y. Is there anything else that is common? Okay, so either you can take 2 is found in the first term and here we have 6. What is 6? 6 is equal to 3 into 2. So you can take that out and do, or else you can directly do, that is, here the remaining is 2 into 3x plus 4y minus 6 into x minus y. Okay, that is equal to 2x minus 5y into, removing the brackets and multiplying, 2 into 3x, that is 6x, plus 2 into 4y, 8y, minus 6x plus 6y. So here 6x minus 6x can be cancelled. Then you will be having 2x minus 5y into 8y plus 6y, that is 14y, which is 14y into 2x minus 5y. Okay. Clear? Next, question number 2 of exercise 5a, factorize by taking the common factors xy into 3x square minus 2y square minus yz into 2y square minus 3x square plus zx into 15x square minus 10y square. So what can be done? So what is a common factor here? So when you check the brackets, inside the brackets, here we have 3x square minus 2y square and here we have 2y square minus 3x square. So this can be written as 3x square minus 2y square when you take a negative sign outside. Yes, so this is, here we have xy into 3x square minus 2y square. So I'm taking a negative sign out, then negative into negative positive, yz into 3x square minus 2y square. Okay. Now what about this? Here we have 15x square minus 10y square. 15 and 10. Is there any common factors in them? 15 is 5 into 3 and 10 is 5 into 2. So 5 is common. I can take out 5. Yes. So plus 5zx into 3x square minus 2y square. Okay. Now we have in all these three terms 3x square minus 2y square. So taking out 3x square minus 2y square into the remaining terms. Here we have xy, here we have yz plus 5zx. Okay, 3x square minus 2y square into xy plus yz plus 5zx. So this is your answer. Next, question 3 of exercise 5a, ab into a square plus b square minus c square minus bc into c square minus a square minus b square plus ca into a square plus b square minus c square. So here you can see when you check these three terms, ab into a square plus b square minus c square minus bc into c square minus a square minus b square plus ca into a square plus b square minus c square. Okay. Now you can see here we have a square plus b square minus c square. Here also we have a square plus b square minus c square. So this should be changed. So this is c square minus a square minus b square. Yes. So c square minus a square minus b square will be equal to, taking out a negative sign, then you will be having minus c square plus a square plus b square. So this can be written as minus of a square plus b square minus c square. So c square minus a square minus b square is equal to minus of a square plus b square minus c square. Okay, so here you will have to multiply with a negative sign. Okay, this becomes equal to ab into a square plus b square minus c square minus bc into a negative sign. Okay, negative a square plus b square minus c square plus ca into a square plus b square minus c square. So that is equal to AB into A square plus B square minus C square. Minus of minus is plus. BC into A square plus B square minus C square plus CA into A square plus B square minus C square. Okay, take out the common term. A square plus B square minus C square is common. Taking out, then you have AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. Question 4 of exercise 5A. Factorize by taking out the common factor 2x into a minus b plus 3y into 5a minus 5b plus 4z into 2b minus 2a. So here from the first term 2x into a minus b. So a minus b is present. Okay, when you take the second term 3y into 5a minus 5b. So here 5 is common. So 5 can be taken out. So 3y into 5 into a minus b, which is equal to 15y into a minus b. So this is how the second term changes to. Now the third term 4z into 2b minus 2a. What is common? 2 is common. So 2 can be taken out. So 4z into 2 into b minus a. Now you can see that here we have a minus b in the first term. A minus b is there in the second term. What about third term? Do we have a minus b? To get a minus b, what can be done? Here you will have to multiply both the terms with a negative sign. Okay, then you will get minus b, minus of minus plus a. So a minus b. So that minus can be taken out. Okay, negative sign can be put here and the terms can be interchanged in position. So this becomes equal to minus 4z into 2 into a minus b, which is equal to minus 8z into a minus b. Okay, so first term 2x into a minus b plus 15y into a minus b minus 8z into a minus b. So what is common? A minus b is common. Taking out a minus b, remaining 2x plus 15y minus 8z. So this is the factorized form. Okay, here we have used the common factor method. Next, question 5 of exercise 5a, factorize by grouping method. So first we have done by the common factor method. So here we are using the grouping method. A cube plus a minus 3a square minus 3. So how can you write this? So we are going to group. So when you take this a cube plus a minus 3a square minus 3. I am going to group these two and these two. Okay. So from this, what is common? A is common, right? So a into remaining a into a square is a cube plus a into 1 is a. Okay, a into a square plus 1 minus, you can see 3 is common. Taking minus 3 out, then again you have a square plus remaining 1. This is a square plus 1 into a minus 3. Okay, so you will be getting the answer a square plus 1 into a minus 3. Next, question number 6 of exercise 5a, factorize by grouping method. 16 into a plus b whole square minus 4a minus 4b. So here we are going to group. We have 16 into a plus b whole square minus 4a minus 4b. That is equal to, here this is a group and this is a group. Okay. So 16 into a plus b whole square minus 4 is common. Taking out, then we have a plus b. Okay. Now when you consider these two terms, what is common? 4 into a plus b is common, which is taken out. So from here, when you take 4 into a plus b, again you will be having a 4 into a plus b. Here there is only 1. So minus 1. This is equal to 4 into a plus b into 4a plus 4b minus 1. So this is the answer. 4 into a plus b into 4a plus 4b minus 1. Next, question 7 of exercise 5a. A raised to 4 minus 2a cube minus 4a plus 8. So we have a raised to 4 minus 2a cube minus 4a plus 8. So I am grouping these two and these two. Okay. So here what is common? You can see a cube is common. Remaining we will be having a minus 2. What about this? Here what is common? 4 is common. So minus 4 can be taken out. A minus 2. Okay. Minus 4 into a is minus 4a. Minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8. Okay. And that is equal to. Here a minus 2 is common to both these terms. Taking out, then you will be having a cube minus 4 inside. So a minus 2 into a cube minus 4 is the answer. Next question number 8 of exercise 5a, factorize by grouping method. AB minus 2b plus a square minus 2a. So we are going to group AB minus 2b plus a square minus 2a. Okay. So here when you group these two and these two, what is common? B is common, a minus 2. Okay, here what is common? A is common, right? So plus a into a minus 2. So a minus 2 is in both these terms. A minus 2 can be taken out. A minus 2 into b plus a. So this is the answer. A minus 2 into b plus a. Clear? Next question number 11 of exercise 5a. Ax plus by whole square plus bx minus ay whole square. So we are going to expand this. Ax plus by whole square plus bx minus ay whole square. So this is of the form a plus b whole square. Here in place of a we have ax and in place of b we have by. Okay. So this becomes equal to ax square plus 2 into ax into by plus by whole square plus bx whole square. This is of the form a minus b whole square. So a square minus 2ab. 2 into bx into ay plus ay square. And that is equal to a square x square plus 2ax by plus b square y square plus b square x square minus 2 into bx ay plus a square y square. So here you can see 2ax by minus 2ax by. So they can be cancelled. Then you have a square x square, b square y square, b square x square, a square y square. So when you take a square x square and b square x square, these two terms, what is common? X square is common. So taking out x square, you will be having a square plus b square. Okay. Now take b square y square and a square y square. You can have y square is common. Y square into a square plus b square. Now a square plus b square is common to both these terms. So taking out a square plus b square into x square plus y square. Okay, so this is a factorized form. Next question number 12 of exercise 5a, factorize by grouping method. A square x square plus ax square plus 1 into x plus a. So here this can be written as a square x square plus ax square into x. We are removing the brackets and multiplying. Then you will be getting ax cube plus remaining here we have an x plus a. Next step, grouping. These two terms can be grouped together. These two can be grouped together. So that becomes equal to, this is a square x square and this is ax cube. A is common. Then x square is common. Taking out, here what is remaining? 1a is remaining, right? So a plus, here what is remaining? A has been taken out. X cube, from x cube, x square has been taken out. Then you have an x remaining. Plus, this can be written as a plus x. Okay. So that is equal to ax square into a plus x. So here what is common? Except 1. Except 1, there is no other common factor. So 1 is taken out. Then a plus x. Okay. Now, find the common factor in both these terms. A plus x is common. Taking out a plus x into. Here remaining we have ax square and here it is 1 plus 1. So a plus x into ax square plus 1. This is your answer. Question 13 of exercise 5a, factorize by grouping method, 2a minus b whole square minus 10a plus 5b. So here we have 2a minus b whole square. What about this 10a plus 5b? Is there anything common? Minus 10a plus 5b. This is equal to 2a minus b whole square. What is common? 5 is common, right? So 5 can be taken out. With the negative sign, I am taking 5 out. What is minus 10a? Minus 10a will be equal to minus 5 into 2a. So 2a will be inside the bracket. Okay, minus 5 is taken out. Minus 5. We need to get plus 5b. How to get plus 5b when you have a minus 5? You will have to multiply with negative b. Okay, therefore, inside the bracket you will be having minus b. Minus b. Now what is common? This is your first term, this is your second term. What is common? 2a minus b is common, taking out. Then we have 2a minus b minus 5. Okay, that is equal to 2a minus b into 2a minus b minus 5. So this is the answer. Clear? Question number 14 of exercise 5a, factorized by grouping method, a into a minus 4 minus a plus 4. A into a minus 4 minus a plus 4, which is equal to. So here this is a into a minus 4. Okay. Now this can be written as, I am taking out minus 1. When minus 1 is taken out, minus 1 into a is minus a. Minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4. So minus 4. Okay. We got the common factor. A minus 4 is common. Taking out a minus 4, remaining a minus 1. So a minus 4 into a minus 1 is your answer. Question 16 of exercise 5a, factorized by grouping method, a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 minus 3a plus 3 by a. So here you can see a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. What is a square plus 1 by a square minus 2? We have studied in the previous chapter expansion about this. Okay, we know a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now here in place of b, if you are having 1 by a minus 1 by a whole square will be equal to a square minus 2 into a into b is 1 by a plus b square is 1 by a square. Okay, this is equal to, cancelling out a square minus 2 plus 1 by a square, or a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. So, a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Now, here you can see we have a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. So, that is equal to a minus 1 by a whole square. Okay, a minus 1 by a whole square. What is the next term? We have minus 3a plus 3 by a. Okay, so while grouping, this is a group and this is the next one. From here we have to take if there is any common factor. 3 is common, right? So here we have a minus 1 by a whole square. I am taking minus 3 outside. So minus 3 when taken from here, you will be having remaining a. Okay, minus 3 taken out, then minus 1 by a will be remaining. Okay, now what is common? Here we have a minus 1 by a, here also a minus 1 by a, taking out a minus 1 by a into, then you have a minus 1 by a minus 3. So this is the answer. Okay, so to do this, you will have to know this. Question 17 of exercise 5a, x square plus y square plus x plus y plus 2xy. So this can be written as x square plus, taking this 2xy plus y square plus x plus y. What is x plus y whole square? A plus b whole square form. That will be equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, so here we have x square plus 2xy plus y square. So this can be written as x plus y whole square plus x plus y. That is equal to, now x plus y is common, taking out x plus y, what is remaining? Here x plus y will be remaining, plus here only 1 is remaining. So the answer is x plus y into x plus y plus 1. Okay, question 19 of exercise 5a, m into x minus 3y whole square plus n into 3y minus x plus 5x minus 15y. So we have to take common factors. Here we have first term m into x minus 3y whole square. Second term is n into 3y minus x, which can be written as, to take common, we need to have x minus 3y. Okay, so here to get x minus 3y, I am taking out a negative sign. So minus n into x minus 3y. Okay, now the third term 5x minus 15y. What is common? 5 is common, taking out 5, x minus 3y. Okay, so this can be written as m into x minus 3y whole square minus n into x minus 3y plus 5 into x minus 3y. That is equal to, take out the common factor, x minus 3y is common in all the three terms. Then we have m into x minus 3y minus n. Here what is remaining? Plus 5. That is equal to x minus 3y into mx minus 3my minus n plus 5. So this is the answer. Okay, question 20 of exercise 5a. So this is the last question for today. Factorized by grouping method. X into 6x minus 5y minus 4 into 6x minus 5y whole square. Just looking at this question, you can find the common factor here. 6x minus 5y is common, taking out 6x minus 5y. Remaining we have x, and here we have minus 4 into 6x minus 5y, which can be written as 6x minus 5y into x minus 4 into 6 is 24, x minus 4 into minus 5y plus 20y. And that is equal to 6x minus 5y into x minus 24x is minus 23x plus 20y. So this is the answer. Minus 23x plus 20y into 6x minus 5y. Clear? That's all for today. In today's class, we have studied two methods of factorization with examples and solved questions from exercise 5a. There are a few more questions remaining which you can solve on your own. I'll be back in the next session. Until then, stay tuned to LearnoHub. LearnoHub free hai, par best hai. Thank you.